Hjälpa vännerna. Det Brian Kerr och Johnny McDonald. Welcome, both of you. Brian, could you introduce us to your new assistant here in the Faroes?
Well, this is John.
Hello. How are you? How are you?
John McDonald. He has worked with me in many places before, many teams. He was the captain of St Patrick's Athletic, who I managed for 10 years in Ireland. And he later managed St Patrick's Athletic, and he has worked with many of the international teams also. So he's a good guy.
Why did you want him to come to the Faroes to be your assistant?
Because he's not like me, he's a nice guy. And I think the Faroes people deserve to have somebody nice here. But he's very professional in his work and very determined, and has a lot of experience that he can help our players to improve, and he will try to help us get better results. That's the main reason. He has real good determination to do well. So I think it's important quality, and the experience is vital for us.
Johnny, what did you think when Brian phoned you about this, asked you to come here to the Faroes?
Yeah, I had a couple of options. I had a situation with the Irish Federation also. They offered me a job at the under-23 international team there also. And Brian spoke to me over the last few weeks, and we sat down and we looked at it. It didn't make an instant decision, but in my head the decision was instant, but obviously you had to look at a lot of things. But to work at this level for me is fantastic, and to work again with Brian is good, because we as you say, we've worked well over the last few years, good few years, and we seem to work well together.
Why did you say yes to this challenge?
Because it is a challenge, and it's a next step. I worked at the under-20s, under-15s, under-20s, under-23s, also with European experience with the league teams, and this is now up at the elite level, so it's a good challenge.
Brian, you had Faroese assistants until now, and Jens Marston will of course continue. Why did you want another foreigner in the setup?
Well, he's not really a foreigner. I don't think Irish people are really foreign. I think we're very similar in our culture and in our attitudes and the atmosphere we like to have and the culture. I think we are very much the same. And we might have a different passport or slightly different passport, but I think with Abram, he did a fantastic job, Abram Lochin, with myself, but also he has under-19s and he needs to concentrate on the work with IF. And many of the coaches in the Faroe Islands are very busy. They are also working in day jobs, and they're working with the clubs, and the league here is a huge commitment, many games, very compact season. So I think it's also good to have someone who's coming from outside to look at it in a slightly different way, and to again add a different viewpoint and some new ideas to it. And I think people are happy with that. And Jens Martin will of course continue with a very important role, and he's so much experience of Faroese football and what's required for Faroese international teams that he is absolutely vital to me.
You worked with him as a player. He was your captain, and you were sport director in St Patrick's. He was your coach. Why do you want him to be alongside you all the time?
Well, as I said, we had a lot of success when we were together. Me as coach and John as the player, and then at the club afterwards, again, when we were together in the different roles, it generally worked as a partnership. We understand each other. I think we respect each other's opinions, and we know the demands we put on players are the same as the demands we expect from ourselves. So that's why I'm quite happy for him. But he's there's plenty of other people I can work with, but he wanted to come here, so why not?